I made $12,878 shorting NASDAQ. So I'm going to do this trade breakdown. But before, let me just show you. This is a live account. And you can see my P&L, right? So right here, you're going to see 12,878. And then we have another loss, which is around 4,500. But I want to do the trade breakdown for the short that I took. So I'm going to go ahead and break down the NASDAQ short on TradingView. So right here, you're going to see that I'm in a replay and I'm also on that 15-minute time frame. Okay, so really quick, really simple. I'm a price action oriented trader, so I basically will trade within a support and resistance area, right? So what I was identifying is basically a couple of levels. So one, I see a level right here. We saw that consolidation. And then two, I see a level of support. Okay, so what I wanted to do is I wanted to identify a short opportunity, because going out, right, so zooming out on that 4 hour, we can see a huge impulse to the upside, right? So last week, we've just seen very, very, very bullish momentum. So I was like, you know what? We're way overdue for a correction. And once I started seeing some sort of price consolidation, that's when I started looking for opportunities. So I scaled in on that 15-minute time frame. All right. You can see right here, we see that sideways movement starting to happen. And I'm going to go ahead and hit play. So let's go ahead and hit play really quick. So you can see, boom, right here, the 20 and the 50 EMA. This is the 20, this is the 50. So price was respecting the 20 and the 50, and then once it started crossing back over bearish, and then I see a long bearish candle print and form, that's when I started looking for my short opportunities. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue playing. So right here, let's go ahead and play it out. Perfect. So here goes another confirmation. We see the 20 and the 50 EMA getting ready to cross. I start looking for shorts right around here. So I pull out my short measuring stick. I put my stop loss right around here, and then I look for the risk reward setup. So is the risk reward setup justifiable? Yes or no? And in this case, it was, right? I'm looking for at least a 2.5 or a 3R multiple. And so this was like around like 11 o'clock at night or something. It was the night before the session actually got volume and just tanked. But I got into a short position live actually in my Discord. And what happened the next day when the New York session opened was it just fully tanked. So let's go ahead and continue playing it out. So we see more momentum, more red candles. And this is the crazy part. As soon as it hits my TP, it starts rallying back up to the upside. Okay. So this is a replay. This might not be the most accurate, but okay, maybe I took my take profit right around here. Yeah. Okay, so maybe it looked like that. But I took my profits right around here, and yeah, the rest was history. So let me go ahead and pull this up for you, just for you naysayers. I'm gonna go ahead and share this. So we have right here, this is what I locked in at. You can see it was 12,878. This was the amount of volume that I traded. And you can see when I opened the position and closed the position, right? So it was 5/12, May 12th at 11:52 p.m. And then I closed the position around this time, okay? So yes, I do trade live at my Discord. If you're looking to just join a free community, it's absolutely free. I don't do signals where I'm, giving you the exact take profit points. I just share basically the setups, and then you can take it and run with it. But if you do have any specific questions regarding NAS 100, Forex pairs, gold, I'm all ears, man. So if you're looking for a cool community, a community that's not like super salesy, I'll provide the links in the description below. The broker that I use is GatesFX. I know a lot of people always ask me, hey, what broker do you use? What broker do you use? I'm using GatesFX, so I'll provide that resource in the description below as well. And then Wix Summit is basically just a resource guide, right? It's a website where you can, use your risk calculator. There's other tools out there. You can study candlesticks. So it's a great resource. It's kind of like an educational hub to help you refine your trading skills. So yeah, so tap into that as well. Links in the description below. And if you don't follow my Instagram, go ahead and follow my Instagram. I provide just behind the scenes of like what I do in my day-to-day life when it comes to trading and stuff. So go ahead and follow me and feel free to message me if you have any questions. Peace.